For this video, we're going to make some quick and easy mac and cheese. Mac and cheese.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below.
So keep watching and I'll show you how to cook that.
And don't forget to wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Let's collect some ingredients. So we're going to need cheese, we're going to need some butter, we're going to need flour, we'll need pasta, some salt, and milk. And don't forget the pepper. To make the cheese sauce, we're going to need some flour, some butter, and some milk.
Two hours later.
To make the cheese sauce, we're going to need some flour, some butter, and some milk. The goal here is just to cook off the flavor of the flour. So once it's cooked into a mush, then we can add some milk. And you want to just keep adding the milk little by little until you've got this paste. And you can see now things are starting to turn into a little more of a sauce. The key is you want to just keep stirring and incorporating the milk little by little. And when you put too much cheese in, add some more milk. And that's our cheese sauce all completed. Ta-da! And I'm going to be using Catelli Bistro vegetable pasta made with real vegetables and all natural ingredients. Ta-da! I love broccoli. mac and cheese. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are down below. Oh, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks so much for watching. Leave me a comment, let me know if you like broccoli or not, and I'll see you guys for the next video. I love mac and cheese, broccoli. Mac and cheese, broccoli.